Hey everyone, let us discuss the next part. Already we have solved up to question number 4b. So now let us solve the question number C. In the question number C, we have to find out some limit values. So this is the question. Here limit x tends to 2 and the function is given x square minus 5x plus 6 divided by x square minus 7x plus 10. Now since x tends to 2, that's why we have to substitute x equal to 2 to the given function. Now let us first roughly substitute the value and let's see what is the final result. So this is 2 square 5 into 2 plus 6 divided by 2 square 7 into 2 plus 10, 4 minus 10 plus 6, 4 minus 14 plus 10, then this is 10 minus 10, this is 14 minus 14, which is 0 by 0. Now all of you know that 0 by 0 format is not acceptable. That's why in this question we cannot directly substitute x equal to 2. Now this is a quadratic equation. So all of we know that we can convert a quadratic equation to some factors, product of two factors, or you can say that factorization method. So first of all we will apply the factorization method and express these two quadratic equation as a product of two factor. So first of all let us start here. Minus 6. Now how to find out? Here x square minus 5x plus 6, the coefficient of x square is equal to 1 and the constant value is equal to 6. So their product will be equal to 6. Now this value 5 should be expressed as a product sum or subtraction of these factor values. Now see here 6 can be also represented as a 2 into 3. Now since 6 is a positive value, or you can say that there is a plus sign before the 6, so we have to take the summation of the factors which will give the value 5, because 6 minus 1 also we get 5, 2 plus 3 is also equal to 5. Since this is a positive value, that's why we have to consider the summation of the factors. So let us write down x square minus 2 plus 3x plus 6. Now let us simplify the values. This is minus 2x minus 3x plus 6. Now from these first two terms we can take the common x value. So this is x minus 2, and for this two term we can take minus 3. So this is x minus 2. Now you can see that x minus 2 is a common value. So now we can take x minus 2 common and remaining values are x minus 3. Okay, now let us factorize the next value, this one, x square minus 7x plus 10. X square minus 7x plus 10. Now first of all we have to find out the product of the coefficient of x square and the constant value. Now the coefficient of x square is equal to 1 and the constant value is equal to 10. So the product will be 10. Now 10 can be also expressed as a 2 into 5, or you can say that two other factors is 2 and 5. Now since again we have to get the value 7 by adding or subtracting the factors. Now 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. So here we will substitute this value. 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. So x square minus 2 plus 5x plus 10. So minus 2x minus 5x plus 10. From the first two term we can take common x. So this is x minus 2. This is minus 5 can be taken common. So x minus 2. Again x minus 2 is a common value. So let us take common, then x minus 5. Now you can see that we have expressed both the quadratic equation in factorization in product of the factors. Now let us find out the value of this limit value. So let us write down limit x tends to 2, x square minus 5x plus 6, x square minus 7x plus 10. Now limit x tends to 2, x square minus 5x plus 6, this value is x minus 2 into x minus 3, x minus 2 into x minus 3, and x square minus 7x plus 10, the values is x minus 2 into x minus 5. So x minus 2 into x minus 5. Now you can see that x minus 2 is a common factors to both the numerator and denominator. That's why now we can cancel the value. Now after cancellation, the remaining values are x minus 3 divided by x minus 5. Now if you roughly just put the value x equal to 2 here in this function, we will not get 0 by 0 format or a by 0 format. So now we can directly use x equal to 2 in the given function. So it will be 2 minus 3, 2 minus 5, 2 minus 3 minus 1, 2 minus 5 minus 3. So the value is equal to 1 by 3. So now in this way we can solve this limit function. Now let us solve the next value or next question. The next question is given this one. Limit x tends to infinity 7x square plus 3x plus 2, 8x square minus 7x plus 3. So let us solve this question. Since x tends to infinity, so before starting the solution, we have to arrange some terms. So first of all, we assume that let x equal to 1 by y. If x equal to 1 by 1, then y is also equal to 1 by x. So this is the same meaning. We have just changed the you can say that we have changed the notations. Now x tends to infinity. It is given x tends to infinity. Infinity can be written down as a 1 by 0. That means if you divide any number by 0, then we will got the value infinity. Here I have assumed it is 1 because whether it is 1, 2, 3, 4 or any values, if we divide by 0, we will always get the value infinity. That's why you can assume any other values other than 1. But I have assumed the value 1 because it is the same meaning. Or you can write down 1 by 0. We have just written down the same value. Now just inverse the values, 1 by x, and it becomes 0 by 1. Now 0 divided by 1, this value is equal to 0 because we can divide any values by 1. Or what you have seen, 1 by x tends to 0. We have just written down the same value. We have in the previous step we have got 0 by 1 equal to 0. So in the next step we have written down the same value. Now you can see that 1 by x means equal to y. So you can write down y tends to 0. So we assume that y is tends to 0. Now we will make the necessary changes to the given question. So therefore limit x tends to infinity 7x square plus 3x plus 2 divided by 8x square minus 7x plus 3. Always remember that if you get any other function other than this question, then also if x tends to infinity, you have to take this same arrangement, x equal to 1 by y, and at the end we got that x tends to 0. So now let us substitute x equal to 1 by y. Since in the next step we will exchange x equal to 1 by y, that's why here we have also write down y tends to 0, and this value is 1 by y square, 1 by y plus 2, 1 by y square, 7 into 1 by y plus 3. Now in both numerator and denominator you can take the LCM y square. So limit y tends to 0, this is y square, and the values will be 7 plus 3y plus 2y square, and y square 8 minus 7y plus 3y square. Now you can see that y square can be cancelled out. So we have cancelled the value. It remains y tends to 0, and the remaining values are 7 plus 3y plus 2y square divided by 8 minus 7y plus 3y square. Now you can directly substitute y equal to 0 here, because if you substitute y equal to 0, you will not get a by 0 or 0 by 0 format. So let us substitute the value. So it is 7 plus 3 into 0 plus 2 into 0 square, 8 minus 7 into 0 plus 3 into 0 square. So 7 plus 0 plus 0, 8 minus 0 plus 0, 7 by 8. So the final result is 7 by 8. So whenever we are given x tends to infinity, this limit value, then we will always get this result. Whatever x square or x cube value is given, this coefficient 7 by 8 or this value will be got the final result. So see here we have got this value.